Hello everyone, today inshallah we are discussing circulation in human body. First of all, what I want you to know is that the circulatory system inside human body is closed circulatory system. That means that blood is flowing inside organs and tissues, okay? It doesn't flow all over the body. First of all, the first component of the circulatory system of human body are blood vessels. And we have three different types of these blood vessels. We have arteries, veins, and blood capillaries. This schedule is making quick differences, it's showing quick differences between these blood vessels. We have arteries, and the main function of arteries is that they are carrying blood from the heart into every organ and every tissue inside your body. Now the artery walls, they are thick, okay, as this figure in here shows you. They are thick. Why? So they can handle this blood pressure, because the blood is pumping from the heart into the arteries. That's why we need the artery walls to be thick, so they can handle this blood pressure, okay. Now we have veins, and the veins walls, they are less thick, okay, or thinner than the artery walls, and they have valves, and these valves they prevent the backflow of blood, okay. Now the blood capillaries, they are only 1 cell thick. Why? Because the main function of them is to diffuse nutrients and wastes between blood and cells. They are supplying your cells with nutrients and oxygen, and they are taking away wastes and carbon dioxide. That's why they are only 1 cell thick, okay. They are only handling, as you see, only 1 blood cell can pass through the blood capillary, okay. The second component of the circulatory system is blood, and if you take a blood sample and you centrifugate it, then you will have what? The blood components will separate according to their density. Here we see these are blood cells, okay, that they are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Now the red blood cells, they are responsible for transporting oxygen, okay. Platelets, they are responsible for blood clotting, and white blood cells, they are responsible for defending your body against pathogens. The plasma, 90% of it is water, and we have other components like ions, proteins, nutrients, wastes, and gases. These are dissolved in water, okay. We find them in plasma. Why? The function of plasma is to take nutrients to all cells of your body, and to get rid of waste from those cells. This video shows you the blood clotting mechanism. I will send it for you too, inshallah. Now the third component of the circulatory system is the heart, and the heart is in the size of your fist, okay, and it has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the left atrium, the right ventricle, and the left ventricle, okay. And as you can see, the left ventricle has the thickest walls of the heart. Why? Because the left ventricle is responsible for pumping the blood all over your body, okay. So we need thick walls so they can handle this pumping of blood. هلا the heart is located beneath the sternum. The sternum اللي هي عظمة القص، هاي الموجودة في وسط القفص الصدري، okay, in your rib cage. As we said, it's about the size of your fist. We have for the normal person, the adult one, we have 70 beats per minute. The heart can pump 5 liters of blood each minute. Okay, and we have a part in the heart which is called sinoatrial node or SA node, which is responsible for creating what? For creating impulses to let the heart pumping the blood all over your body. Okay, it's influenced by the body temperature, by hormones, and by your nervous system. The blood pressure, okay, if you go to a doctor and he is measuring your blood pressure, he is using this machine or the normal the ordinary one, the old one. Okay, now the purpose of this is that we are getting a number. Okay, 120 over 70 millimeters is the normal measure for the adult healthy person. Okay, now the above number is called the systolic number, which is the measurement of the pressure when the ventricles contract. يعني if the ventricle of your heart is contracting, okay, then the blood will flow inside your arteries. Okay, so this give you what? The systolic number. Now the diastolic number is the measure of the pressure when the heart relaxes, يعني when the heart back to its normal state. Okay, it's not contracting, it's not pumping the blood. Okay, and the blood is flowing normally inside your arteries without pressure. So this gives you what? The diastolic number. Now this is the pathway of the blood. Okay, first of all, the blood is found inside your right atrium, and then it will flows into your what? Into your right ventricle, and it will go through the pulmonary artery into lung. Okay, the pulmonary artery is the only artery inside your body that is carrying the deoxygenated blood, because it will take the blood into your lungs, and there will gas exchange occur to take oxygen from the lungs and going back to the heart through pulmonary veins. Okay, and the pulmonary vein is the only vein, these are pulmonary veins. Okay, they are the only veins that they are carrying what? They are carrying oxygenated blood. Okay, now the blood will go where? It will go to your left atrium, then to the left ventricle, and to the aorta. Aorta will take this blood into all over your body. Okay, now in each cell in your body there will be gas exchange. The blood will give the cell the oxygen and the nutrients, and it will take away what? It will take away carbon dioxide and waste, and they will back through the inferior and anterior what do they call them? Interior and inferior. Cinna cava. Okay. And it will come, the blood is collected in your right atrium, and it the whole flow, the whole system will happens back again. Okay, that's all for this lesson. I hope everything is understood. Please, if you have any questions, contact me privately and I will explain anything for you. Good luck, everyone.